असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
See the next one, chemicals from common salts. Salts are ionic compounds which are produced by the neutralization of acid with base. We know when one acid reacts with base, it will form salt and water. So we can say that these are the ionic compounds which are produced by the neutralization of acid with base. Salts are electrically neutral. There are many number of salts, but sodium chloride is the most common among them. What is the formula of sodium chloride? That is NaCl. So this is the most common from all the salts. Sodium chloride is used to enhance the taste of food. Yes, this is also called as table salt or common salt. We can also call this sodium chloride as the table salt or common salt. Sodium chloride used to enhance the taste of food. Sea water contains many salts dissolved in it. Sea water contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is the predominant component and it is separated from all the salts. Okay, so deposits of solid salts are also found in several parts of the world. These deposits of large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Okay, the deposits of large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. So beds of rock salts which are formed under the sea's bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. Rock salt is mined like coal. Common salt, a raw material for chemicals. The common salt is the important raw material for various materials of daily use, such as sodium hydroxide and bleaching powder, nothing but CaOCl2, and washing soda Na2CO3 and baking soda, this is NaHCO3, and many more. How the only one salt is used for making all these different substances? Let's see how. The first one is the sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide from common salt. See how the sodium hydroxide is prepared from this common salt. When the sodium chloride is dissolved in aqueous solution, that means we can say that that is a brine solution. When the sodium chloride is dissolved in water, we can say that is a brine solution. To form, that means that is decomposed to form sodium hydroxide. So we can take the formula. When the sodium chloride is mixed with water, it will form That means it is decomposed to form sodium hydroxide and chlorine and hydrogen. Okay, so this process is from common salt. Sodium hydroxide from common salt. Because of these products, we can say this is the process of chloroalkali process. Okay, this is the chloroalkali process. Because of these products, chloro for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. We can say this process as the chloroalkali process. So in this process, sodium chloride is mixed with water, right? So it will form sodium hydroxide. This is preparation of sodium hydroxide from common salt. And the next one is the bleaching powder. Next one is the bleaching powder from sodium chloride. Right? You know that chlorine is produced by the process of electrolysis of sodium chloride. Right? The chlorine is produced by the process of electrolysis of sodium chloride. That process also known as brine solution. So there the chlorine gas is produced from that solution. Yes, we know. In electrolysis process of aqueous solution of sodium chloride, the decomposition of calcium hydroxide will take place. So in that chlorine gas is released. So the chlorine gas is used for manufacturing of bleaching powder. Okay, bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime means that is calcium hydroxide. So the formula of the bleaching powder is CaOCl2. So how it is formed means the action of chlorine takes place on the dry slaked lime. So here these two are reacted and they will form bleaching powder. This bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industries, and for bleaching clothes, that means for bleaching washing clothes in laundry, and it is also used for bleaching paper in paper industry. That means wood pulp. It is also used for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. This also used for bleaching in many chemical industries. It is also used as a oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Yes, and it is also used in bleaching disinfecting drinking water to make them germ free. Okay, it is also used for as a reagent in chloroform. Okay, it is prepared from the action of chlorine gas on the dry slaked lime. We will get this bleaching powder. This is from bleaching powder from sodium